We'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Dollar General app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just go down here, so then you click here on apps, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do in here, can you looking for Dollar General app, or just search for it here, click on search and add it here. So add here Dollar General, it's going to show for you, click on it, then it's going to take you into the app. Then you click here on force stop, click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, come to storage list, click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, so you click here on Play Store here, then come to this list, you search for Dollar General. It's going to show for you like this. It's going to show for you here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.